Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating the project and wiring a single game loop. This is where the tick drives motion. Initialize a grid size and a timer at, say, 100 ms so updates are consistent. Create your core models, a snake as a list of points, a direction enum, and a point for food plus an int score. Once done, subscribe the timer to an update method and draw routine, and make sure input handlers change direction without directly moving the snake. You calculate movement by taking the current head and adding a vector for the direction, then insert the new head at index 0 of the snake list. Immediately check collisions. If the head is outside bounds or matches any body point, then trigger game over. If head equals food, increment score, grow snake by skipping tail removal, and spawn food at a free random point. Once validated, redraw. Clear the screen, paint each segment and the food, and update the score text. You finalize by preventing direct reversals. Cue direction changes and apply one per tick to avoid instant self-collision. Add polish like incremental speed increase every endpoints, persistent high score storage, and a pause/resume toggle. For controls, support keyboard and optional touch. If things go wrong, reproduce the failure and log head positions and grid indices. Once you see mismatched coordinates, adjust boundary checks or index math. Finally, test edge cases, tiny grids, rapid key presses, and long snakes to verify stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.